So here we have our fermentation samples from 2 days ago, and you can see they've changed a good deal. I'd like to just point out some of the more relevant things here. So let's start off with our apple and grape juice samples. Remember, we inoculated these with Saccharomyces cerevisiae, or baker's yeast or brewer's yeast, depending on what you want to call it. So a couple differences you can see here. Number one, they're super bubbly, and you can see these Durham tubes, which we said yesterday would be able to trap gas bubbles. It's actually filled up with gas, and it's like floating off the bottom of the tube. You can see that in the apple juice a little bit more clearly. You can see it in the grape juice as well. So a lot of gas has been produced in here during the process of fermentation, and that's carbon dioxide. The second thing, I'm not going to show you, but you can just take my word for it, is that they smell like they've got alcohol in them, because they do. They've undergone alcoholic fermentation. So we've now got kind of an apple cider and wine rather than apple juice and grape juice. So moving on to our tube, remember this was skim milk, and we inoculated it with the yogurt starter culture. The yogurt starter culture generally contains bacteria like Lactobacillus bulgaricus or Streptococcus thermophilus that are able to perform lactic acid fermentation. So this milk sample, it doesn't look that different, but if you take it, shake it around, it's solid. It's 100% solid because it's been turned into yogurt from that yogurt starter culture. And again, something you can take my word for. If you open this up and smell it, it's not going to smell like milk. It's going to smell like that sour taste or that sour smell that you get from a yogurt with active cultures. So pretty impressive transformation of these three liquids over just 48 hours, all due to the process of fermentation.